Ncontracts for Business Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. Ncontracts is a comprehensive risk management and compliance platform designed for businesses in the financial services sector. It offers a suite of tools to help organizations manage vendor risk, internal audits, compliance, and regulatory requirements. Ncontracts is specifically built for financial institutions such as banks, credit unions, and lenders, but its versatility makes it suitable for other industries as well. One of Ncontracts' standout features is its robust vendor risk management system, which helps businesses assess and manage third-party risk efficiently. The platform allows for automated risk assessments, which streamline the process of identifying, evaluating, and mitigating vendor risks. Additionally, Ncontracts offers powerful reporting tools, making it easy for teams to generate comprehensive reports on compliance, audit findings, and risk management activities. This data-driven approach improves decision-making and keeps teams aligned with regulatory requirements. Another notable feature is its compliance management capabilities, which cover various frameworks such as BSA-AML, GDPR, and SOC 2. Ncontracts offers a centralized platform where businesses can track, monitor, and report on compliance status, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Its audit management tools ensure businesses can plan, execute, and track audits in an organized way, while also maintaining detailed records of all actions for transparency. However, Ncontracts isn't without its weaknesses. While it offers a range of features, the platform can be overwhelming for smaller teams or businesses without dedicated compliance officers. Its user interface, while functional, may require some time to get used to, especially for those new to risk and compliance management tools. Additionally, the pricing structure might be a concern for smaller organizations, as it can be on the higher end for those with limited budgets. Overall, Ncontracts is an excellent tool for financial institutions looking to streamline their risk management, vendor management, and compliance efforts. Its extensive features make it a powerful choice for larger organizations, but smaller businesses may find it a bit complex and costly for their needs.